welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be discussing about few of the products that I have used after delivery and has helped me cure my stretch marks, my pigmentation, also my belly that was very loose. My body was going through a bad discoloration. So I'll be sharing the products that I've used and have really worked for me. So please continue watching. Most of us women goes through stretch marks, hair fall, pigmentation, and we really don't know how to cure it because we have a small child to look after. So I have used few products that I would like to share with you guys that have really helped me to cure my pigmentation, my hair fall, my loose belly, my discolored body. I've gone through all of this in my pregnancy, and I have swore by a few of the products that has really helped me cure it. I can give you the choices, and definitely you can go with the alternatives, whatever you get, whatever is useful to you. One product that you can't get an alternative of is bio oil. So yeah, this is the bio oil. Everybody knows this. This is best for stretch marks, guys, trust me. I have used this from the second month of my pregnancy, and it is a magical body oil. I have no red stretch marks on my stomach. I have those little white ones that I got after my operation, my C-section, but the red stretch marks, I don't have it on my body because I've been using this since the second month of my pregnancy, and I don't know which bottle is this that I'm using currently, but I'm using it till now. After 1 year also I'm using it. So I would suggest you guys to definitely go for a bio oil if you don't want to see those stretch marks on your body. I was going through a bad pigmentation on my face, guys. I had like spots everywhere, here, and it has taken a lot of time to get cured. So I have used a good moisturizer, and the best thing that I would recommend you guys and I have used is a face serum. So basically this is the face serum that I've used. This is the Color Bar Hydra White face serum. Now this is a very small bottle and gets off very soon. So if you don't want to purchase this one, you can check online what are the good serums for pigmentation. This has helped me, and if you want to try it, it's a very nice serum. And also I have used this is the Forever Vitamin E face serum. It's a very nice face serum. Basically it helps you give the glow that you need on your face and also helps you cure the pigmentation. So now this is a very nice product. For my face, I've also used one product that is a personal experience that I'm sharing it with you, is a coconut oil. So basically coconut oil helps you reduce the darkness. So I have used a Kama Ayurveda coconut oil. I don't have it right now, but you can check it online, and it's a very nice coconut oil and you can use it on your face. It gives you a very nice glow, as well as it has helped me reduce my dark spots. I had very big spots, so I'm able to clear it because of the coconut oil. So you can try it. It's a personal experience that I'm sharing it with you guys. So for my body, guys, I have used this body lotion. This is the Nivea body lotion. Many of us use a body lotion, definitely, but we tend to not use it on a regular basis. So I would suggest to use any body lotion that suits your body type. I would recommend this, that it's a very nice body lotion. I had a discoloration over all my neck, on my back. It was all black, and I've used this product and it's helped me cure it. So you can definitely try it. So for my hair, guys, I have used 2 different hair oils. You can use any which suits you. I have used this one. This is the Parachute hair oil. Everybody is aware of this. It's very nice for all the hair loss that we have gone through. It helps to repair it. It was very suitable for me. The other hair oil that I've used is the Kama. It's the Hair Intense hair oil, you can see. Very nice for massaging and definitely helps to reduce the hair fall. So you can use any of those two. Also, if you are like a busy woman and you don't have time to put so much of hair oil, so you can use this product, which is the L'Oreal 6-in-1. This is a kind of a hair serum, a soft hair serum that you can use before shower. You can leave it for half an hour and then you can wash it, and also you can use it after shower a little, so not get all those tangles and have a soft textured hair, and helps you to cure the hair loss as well. So this is my second bottle and it's about to get over. It's really very nice. Whenever I'm in a hurry, I just use this for styling my hair, for using it as an oil. So you can definitely go for this product. For hair serum guys, I have used this L'Oreal Intense Smooth Hair Serum. I love this serum because I use it every time before I'm styling my hair, I'm straightening my hair, I'm curling my hair. I just use this serum and it is an awesome serum. It helps you to style your hair, it helps you to get a smooth and textured hair, a bouncy and a glowing hair. So if you want a nice hair serum, I would recommend this. For the stomach guys, many of us women I have seen have gone through pigmentation on the stomach after delivery when you are getting operated. I don't know about the normal delivery, but for C-section people, I have seen that there is a bad discoloration on the stomach. My doctor only suggested me to use a scrub, and I have used this one. This is the Biotique Bio Walnut Scrub. It's an amazing scrub. You can use any walnut scrub if you want to use, but Biotique products, I really like their design. This has helped me to cure the pigmentation on my stomach that I got after my operation. So I have used this one, and also I have used this one on my body. This is my Lotus White Glow scrub. Very nice scrub again, very smooth. It's the product that I would recommend to use on both on your face and your body. Next product that I would like to share with you guys is for the women who have a loose stomach after delivery is a belt. So this is the belt that I have used. I had a very loose stomach after delivery, so I used this belt. I wore it for around 6 months. I ensured that I wore it, and I wanted to get my stomach back in shape. I knew it was very difficult to wear it day and night. You have to take care of a child, you have to take care of your body, to feed your child, and then you have to keep on wearing the belt. But I would suggest it to wear it for 6 months at least, but wear it on something because it's very tight. You can wear it on some kind of a legging or a lower to cover your body. Yes, you can ask from your doctor, she'll be able to guide you more, but I have wore this belt for 6 months. So here are the products that I have shared with you guys, and these products have really helped me in this 1 year to cure my pigmentation, to cure my discoloration, to cure the hair fall that I was going through. These are the basic products. Every girl, every woman has these products, but if you are not aware of any of these, here is a video that I've shared with you in case if you have gone through the same phase that I have gone through, because I think that we should definitely take care of ourselves, because if we are happy from inside out, we can spread happiness to our child, to our family, to everyone. So that's what I think, that you should never forget yourself. Take care of yourself so that you can take care of your child. Guys, like my video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more videos like this, you can leave in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.